sila? Maayong adlaw Iloilo, maayong adlaw SM City Iloilo. Gusto ko ka mababatian, maayong adlaw. Abanse. I can feel the love, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kate Chavez, and I'm a proud Ilongga, and it's my absolute pleasure to be your host for this afternoon. Ang pamangkot, excited na balakamutan nga makita ang aton Rhina, si Alexi Brooks. Yes, very claro gina. It's gonna be an exciting afternoon for all of us. Our beloved queen will share with us her experience in Miss Universe Philippines 2024. And of course, kung kamo excited man niya si Alexi Brooks, ang ating nga queen, nga makitaan kamo tanan para magpasalamat niya sa inyong pagpalaga kag suporta sa iya nga sobra pa sa 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, before I show you the next video, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge of course the presence of our distinguished guest, our IFFI chairman, Sir Judgy Peña. Let's give him a big round of applause, please. Our IFFI president who recently celebrated his birthday, Sir Alan Tan. The beautiful chair of Miss Iloilo, Miss Sarah Peña. Palakpakan natin. And we also have the co-chair for Miss Iloilo, Miss Panging Rosales. Palakpakan mo natin siya. And with us this afternoon is the in charge for finance for Miss Iloilo, Miss Susie Pakultad. Ayan. And later on, you will see them here. Kaupod man natin ang Empire PH team nga subong niya nag-aalaga na sa atong nga Rhina nga si Alexi Brooks. We would like also to acknowledge Arnold Mercado and John Gabriel Jose. You'll meet them later on. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, we are going to show you the highlights of her Miss Iloilo 2024 and Miss Universe Philippines 2024 journey. Ladies and gentlemen, dear shoppers, let's all watch this.
Alexi May Caimoso Brooks, Iloilo City!
The Miss Philippines Eco International 2024 Iloilo. Let's give our new queen a big warm round of love, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Iloilo 2024 and Miss Eco International Philippines 2025, Alexi May Brooks! Ladies and gentlemen, ipakita natin ang ating pagpalaga kay Queen Alexi May Brooks! Alright, kag-ari niya ang ginahulat-hulat sa tanan. Dear SM City shoppers, ari na di siya to answer all of our questions. But before that, of course, Alexi, how are you? And welcome home.
Mayong hapon, mayong gabi. So first gusto ko din magpasalamat sa tanan nga nag-God ko sila dili. And at the same time, everyone was very supportive to me all throughout my competition. So sa tanan nga mga Ilonggos, palangga ko gid kamo kag madamo gid ni salamat.
Kilig! Hindi lang ikaw ang nagapalangga sa amon, palangga kagidyan namon, Alexi. And we have so many questions for you, but maybe we can start off with all of these questions. Now, first, how was the overall experience in your first ever national pageant?
Well, I can say it was really life-changing for me. Kasi diba gihambal koganisang una, it was just a dream for me to join Miss Universe. Tapos, I was given the opportunity and the chance to not only represent myself, but the whole Iloilo City. Then, I am really happy. The experience itself still feels so surreal. And I'm still very happy and proud na I didn't only make my family and myself proud, but I hope that I made every Ilonggo right now in here proud of me, of my achievements.
Very much. I can speak for everyone. We are so proud of you, Alexi. But out of all of those, experiences sa imong first ever national pageant, can you tell us what were your favorite moments, hindi lang isa, kundi favorite moments in the entire MUPH journey? Now, I know we have seen a lot of activities being streamed online or on television, but we also want to know what are your favorite moments, aside from the on-cam moments, the behind the scenes. So maybe you can share with us everything.
Well, absolutely. Whenever people ask me, they would always expect me to say, siguro nga mga event kami. But if it's really for me, I think sa mga backstage nga, mga times when we the girls are really tired, but we're trying our best to cheer each other up. For me, I'm friends with Mathea, with Chelsea, and with Alex from Laguna. So four of us always hang out with each other. And most of the time, when the four of us are tired, there's always one girl in there that will try to hype up the other person to make the room feel, better or good. So siguro mga times nga, we're there backstage, or we're trying to motivate each other, nga bisan kapoy na padayon lang yapon. And if there's one specific, siguro no final na before I went out on that stage, I told myself gani nga parang I'll never be 23 again, or maybe never be in this stage again my whole life. So might as well give it my best, and I did, and I don't think I regret.
Wow. Imagine that, hearing it from the queen herself. Because sometimes, you know, kung anong mga makita natin online, we're not sure of it. But this time, na-clarify niya na and na-sure niya agad sa atin that she enjoyed her journey in MUPH. And we're glad that you experienced that. And thank you for bringing us along sa tanan mga journey. I know, as you have mentioned, it was so tiring. We can actually feel that for you. Imagine a lot of preliminaries, a lot of interviews, may side interviews pa, tama, right?
Tamo. But it's all for the love for Iloilo. Ever since ang una, when I was an athlete pa, I would never try to represent other provinces. Kasi syempre pag mangkuton ko nila, mambal ko nga proud ko ang Ilonggo. So if I join a competition and any pageant at all, of course I would love to bring honor and pride to Iloilo. So,
And we can see that, Alexi.
Thank you.
Wala ka gid nagkulang sa pagkabalo that you are indeed very proud to be an Ilongga. Now, a lot of people were inspired, including me, Alexi, with your story. Now, how does it feel that you have touched a lot of lives? Not just, the men or the little girls, but the men, the women, everyone across the country and across the world. Even ang mga Filipinos, who are not home, like ara sila sa ibang parte sa kalibutan, naga-comment yun sila nga, we really love Alexi and how she brings out, the colors or the vision of an Ilongga or empowered Ilongga. So how does it feel to be able to touch lives?
kung kaisa gani, feel ko doon hindi siya tuod. Because sometimes in social media, you don't see the people, but you feel their love towards you. So sometimes, when I don't feel good, and I'll go online and I see someone who would comment that they're having a bad day, but then they'll see my post or something about me and they will make it feel better. And that's when you realize, that's when you know itself na influence is being used in a good way. And I told myself before I joined the competition, regardless of the outcome, I want my outcome to look like, you inspired people, ganit. You bring the best out of them and you represent them pretty well. So for me, when I talk about Abanse Babae, not only just focus to women, but everyone at all, like parang letting everyone move further in life. Kasi syempre, I have my downfalls, I have days na I didn't want to get up, but whenever I see my fans or whenever I see these people supporting me, I might not do it for me today, but I'll do it for them.
You might be representing Iloilo this year, 2024 and 2025, but Alexi, what you have shared with all of us during that journey, it will stay on forever. And that inspired us, not just this year, but you know how it is, but arat na sa online, or arat na, in the web, in the internet, forever na nanda siya. And we're so glad that we have so many good things that we can get from your story and from your journey. Now, after the MUPH journey, you will now prepare for Miss Eco International Philippines 2025. Now, how will you prepare for that for your first international pageant?
Actually, kasi my competition next year pa man siya, by May siguro. So I have the whole year ahead of me to prepare. But I think it would be nice for me to also ask, the past queens in the competition about their experiences or their record, or inspire me about their journey. Siguro ask them and also do my research on these advocacies and these causes, or what can I do more, or how can I, align myself in there, basi may impact man ako mahimo. But at the same time, it's still the same. Advocacy is still the same, it's just probably redirected. Pero this time, I'll prepare myself even more na I'm known na hindi lang man Iloilo City this time ang gina-carry ko, but the country itself.
Knowing na si Alexi is an athlete, grabe gidya ang disiplina nila. And when she tells us na mapreparar siya, preparahan niya gid na iya, I tell you. Now, Alexi, what's your message to all of your supporters? Okay, look at this. I mean, come on, louder, come on! Woohoo! Can you just imagine this energy? Hindi lang ako niha, like all of Iloilo and even the Philippines when you started your journey. And we are just here, but we wanted you to feel that, maybe through votes or through liking or following your journey. But right now, here in front of them, what is your message to all of your supporters, sa mga nagapalangga sa imo? Kag maybe ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan, especially sa mga nagbulig sa imo?
well, I don't think thank you is enough for me to express my gratitude towards you. Ang pagbalangga nyo kanakan sobra-sobra, and I really hope nga I made you all proud. And I know that regardless of where life takes me on this journey, I'll always be proud to call myself Ilongga, and I'll continue my legacy nga will bring our city rather upwards and on forward. So Tani, I made you all proud, and whoever man mag-represent ng aton city next year, I hope that we support that girl, or to whoever man dira, trying to do their best in life. I think that it's always better for us to be kind and to be thoughtful to people, especially online. We use the platform in a good way now. We only spread positivity. So I really hope we support everyone. And for me naman, I want to say thank you again so much. Thank you all. Like, I have this one night that I was just laying down in my bed. As an athlete kasi, to anad bala kami lang mag-isa or not really show so much of an emotion. So I don't think some of my friends saw me cry, but like last night when I was in my bed, and I know I'm excited to go home kasi syempre, balay na ni like dili na ni ang place where I feel safe, where I feel welcome, where I feel appreciated and all that, and I couldn't explain what I was feeling, though all I know was there was so much love deep inside, and I know that it's from all of you. So thank you all so much. Thank you, and to everyone that supported me. Thank you all. To everyone who supported me, to the IFFI, to Miss Iloilo, to our government, my team, especially to my Lola Basing and to Leon. My Lola Basing, she might not be here right now, but I hope that I really made her all proud. And to every woman and children and men in this area right now, I hope that I made you proud, and I hope that we keep moving further and forward in life, bringing honor and pride to Iloilo City. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our queen, Alexi May Brooks. Now, Alexi, I know, sigurado, ginaingang preparar ka na, but don't forget as well to rest, because you need to recover before you can give your 100% once again. And if you need any time, a hug or something, look at us. Ari kami ditanan, right? Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin sa liwat, Queen Alexi May Brooks. And thank you, Alexi. Woo! Pati ako kilig man, right? Woohoo! Louder, louder! Avanse! One more time, avanse! I hope you can feel the love, Alexi, because we truly are, proud of you, and we genuinely love you because you have been genuine to us from the start, and please know that we'll be there for you wherever you may go. Ladies and gentlemen, mabatian natin sa liwat si Alexi May Brooks, ang ating queen. But for now, she will be serenaded by one of Ilonggo's very talented singer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Richmond Yalon.
Or what's up, Iloilo? What's good, my name is Richmond. I'm the one who sang the Miss Iloilo theme song 2024. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Congratulations to you, Alexi. Here we go. Ang imong at ako hindi lamang makita, kundi ka ang yagma na bagsaganman. In this world of influence we stand on the stage, Miss Iloilo, where hearts are not to change. Love and compassion, mga inday kami, your beauty will set this right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo. You look like their beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahog na may tagipuson, Miss Iloilo. Everybody say, what I see, here we go. Ilongga ikay, imong pagkariskada, mapapabugal ang inyong mga istorya. Proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love and compassion, mga inday kang nene, your beauty will set Iloilo. Siyempre, sabay-sabay! Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahon na may tagipuson. Miss Iloilo. Say! Silongga ka, maluluwa bang maisog? Ikaw nakakalasang inspirasyon ka kusog. Kumalagsawan ka, palaong sa takbaluak. Akong malabaw, sama kita sa mata. Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. One more time, let's go! Heartfelt beauty. Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahog na may tagipuson. Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahog na may tagipuson. Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Thanks so much. Congratulations, Alexi.